Everywhere, in everything you do, there is an algorithm. Did you eat your breakfast this morning? There is an algorithm there. Have you charged a phone ever? There is an algorithm there as well. What is an algorithm? Basically, it is just dividing a problem in steps to solve the same. For having breakfast, you will first go to the kitchen, make some breakfast, serve it in the dining room, and then eat it. Let's see what would you do for charging your phone. You will first find the charger of your phone, of course. You will find the socket which you can use to charge. Next, you will plug the charger in the socket and pick up the phone in your hand. You will plug the charging end of the charger in your phone's port and switch on the power. To be sure, you will check if the phone is charging or not and keep the phone at a safe place near the socket. Then you wait for an hour and again check that your phone's battery has charged now. Finally, you switch off the power, remove the cable and remove the charger from socket. Wow, you just solved the problem. We saw some steps to charging a phone, but in coding, we call it an algorithm. Before writing big programs or making cool games or just solving big problems, it is important that you break it down into steps. You can write down the steps on a paper. You can create it into a flowchart and draw on the paper. If you start programming following your flowchart or steps, your program will behave as you want and have lesser bugs. So, whenever you code, write an algorithm first. Happy making!